Where you have pillows that have barriers, they don't accumulate allergen, they don't accumulate microorganisms. As such, they don't become a source of air pollution. They don't become potentially a risk factor for the individual who is lying on them or sleeping on them. The difference with Sleep Angel is that it comprises an absolute barrier with a breathable component. If you can breathe, it's got a comfort layer. It actually becomes comfortable for you. And the breathing of the pillow is an integral part of the Sleep Angel product. The filter and the barrier components of the pillow were highly effective in all tests that we conducted, both where allergen and microorganisms are concerned. All sorts and types of products are out there, and many of them work extremely well. But this is the only pillow with this kind of design that we have seen or tested thus far, because there's only one pillow of this type in the marketplace. Would we recommend this type of pillow? Very definitely.